ICS Trades 101. This is Cameron Simpson. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm not a financial broker or advisor. So let's jump on in here. We're covering ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're at $57 ordinary market. It was $15.38, and we're now at 3.16% in pre-market, which is $58.81. So I'm just going to set some things up here. Will some more people jump on in here? Okay. Okay, let's have a look here. Wow, it's just jumping around. Today's going to be a good day. This is awesome. I'm just going to set up this screen for you guys. Okay, cool. Right on. Okay, so I drew some trend lines here, and today the number what I would like to get past, we would all like to get past, is obviously $60. So I could see that happening. I could see that happening probably by about 10 o'clock. I'm still really bullish on this, and I still have not sold any shares yet. I have a feeling that this is going to go crazy by Friday. There's a lot of people predicting that, and I definitely can see that. I can see that today and tomorrow doing really good. There's got a lot of hype on the news. Yeah, the AMC is just one of those things. It's making history books. It's up like thousands of percent since January, approximately. So yeah. Anyways, everybody that's getting on, good morning. And yeah, I'm going to be back on normal schedule here. The job that I was on got canceled, so things change. It worked out for your guys' advantage. So I'll be covering this, and it looks like I'll be covering it into the squeeze, because I think this thing's going to squeeze around the 18th, 19th. And yes, you did hear me correctly, by Friday. By Friday, we're going to have a gamma squeeze, a pretty big gamma squeeze happening, and that could potentially kick a short squeeze. Okay, we got 30 seconds till market opens. Let's get ready. This is going to be a good day today. Just like yesterday I said was going to be. We were at 15%. We were a little bit higher than I thought we would. But hey, there's nothing wrong with that. Such a beautiful thing, making money, eh? And I'm glad that I'm here being part of it now, that I'm not working. So I don't start another job till the end of the month, but I'm having a feeling this could be all over by then. That's just a prediction, right? That's not in stone. Ooh, we have a huge burn happening here. Something kicked us down pretty good, but we're fighting. Come on. As soon as that market opens up, it did open up. Okay, that's what happened. So there's a bunch of people selling their positions right now. That'll straighten out. That'll totally correct itself. There it goes. Told you. I knew it would. It's going to go right up really high. Give it a couple, 4 candlesticks over. There we go. There we go. We're going to crack 60 right now. Watch this. So yeah, we're already up to, we're at $59.37, 39 cents. We're going to crack 50 in probably right now. Wow. Yeah, this thing's going to get little crazy here. There's some big players that are in on this now. Mark Cuban is in on it. He owns the Mavericks. He's in large on this right now, so he dumped large in. So that's going to help us out quite a bit. As you know, retail investors are, I think, up to like 83% now. It's a little bit higher. We do own way more stake than we thought we did. Oh, look at that reversal. Look at that reversal. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, went back. That was nice how it reversal. That you hardly ever see that. Oh, there's another one. Here we go. Look at the length on those wicks. That is insane. Look at that retracement. Yeah, there's going to be a good day today. This could possibly turn into a gamma squeeze today. Okay? I can just see like how the action's happening. We've only been open 1 minute and we're already cranking it in there. The volume's just cranking in. It's insane. We got double the volume than yesterday coming into the market. So, I'm actually going to leave this alone for a minute. I'm just going to cover some other stocks here. Let's see what else is green on the chart. We've got Loop Energy, which is a hydrogen fuel company. Is at $7.76. They're 3.60 in the green. They're out of Chilliwack, British Columbia, which is Vancouver. British Columbia, same thing. So Doge is down to 32% or 30 cents. 32 cents is down 1.01. Sundel's getting hit right now. There looks like they got a fight on their hands right now. It's at $1. Straight across the board, $1, 2.73% in the red right now. They're bouncing between 1 and 2 right now. So obviously there's a big thing going on right there with Sundial. Air Canada is up. The aviation sector is up $28.59. We're at 0.88%. Oh, it just went down to 0.39%. Aviation's or the energy sector, Suncor Energy is at $31 straight across the frigging board. Is up 1.21. I have huge stake in our energy sector, and I'm making lots of money too in it. Everything else is just getting hammered. Oh my God. Well, I think that AMC is taking most of the hype, guys, on these stocks, especially the meme stocks. So we're gonna get a look at the draw on these wicks like that. Look on the past. Look how it blows up. Look at, there's nothing compared to that. Look at the wick lengths on this. We're getting total back and forth retracement, which is very rare. That means that there's a substantial amount of volume. We're going to have a scrap on our hands today, guys. Big time. Come on, crank it. There's something that's pulling back. See, we keep on fighting up and something's pulling it back. So, yeah, the hedgies are up to something. Something's going on there, but there's too much volume coming in for them to, all their little shenanigans won't work. It won't work. There we go. Here we go. We just need some consolidation. Just bounce up to 3 more candlesticks and we'll be up over $60 probably. That's just my prediction. So if you want to stay around and watch it live, it's going to happen. Watch. It has to with that much volume coming in. Like, look at this. Look at this volume over here. Just cranking. We're already at 16 million. There we go. Told you guys. There you go, $60. Didn't I just call that like literally 10 seconds ago? We're going to get drove back down. We need more consolidation, guys. We might even go crack up a little bit above 60, but it's going to kick us back down. These are new waters. We're testing out new limits here. So, good morning, GT. What's up? Or at 6MT. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. I still haven't had my coffee. Were you there when I just predicted the crack on 60? Well, we just cracked over 60. There we go. That's going to drive us back down. We haven't, like, what, just going to kick us right back down, but we just need some consult and it'll kick us back up. We're going to get a reversal. Oh, yes. Oh, no, I knew that was going to happen. We have to test. We're in new waters right now. Let's pull back the chart a bit. Let's go back here. We're going to put on the 5-minute. And here I drew up a little bit of a little diagram here for you guys to show you. But we've already smashed those limits. I had no idea we were going to be at 60 already. I thought by 10 o'clock. So, but I did predict that when I seen the volume coming in that we were going to crank over 60. We're going to hit over 70, 80 today, guys, if not higher. We could even tap 100. Okay, you heard me correctly. We could even tap 100. I don't think it will hold on 100. But let's have a look here. I need to bump us on the 30-minute here. We're going to go back a couple days here. I just want to show you guys something. Okay, we're going to put a trend line here because this is our little baby right here, a horizontal trend line. I had problems with this yesterday doing this. Okay, It won't go on the candlestick, but that's good enough. 60, what is it? 67.20, 60 or $76 is where I see that we need to be. We need to get past that. Okay, look at this beautiful stuff. Look at this go. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna take this off of here. These old trend lines. We've already smashed we've already done it, guys. That's old news now. That was this morning in pre-market. So we're gonna get a little bit of action here. Side action is what we need. We need to consolidate a bit. The volume has not slowing down. Oh, here we go. We got more volume coming in. There we go. Watch this. I've seen 3 retracements and 4. Here we go. We just need to build some volume up and it'll slam it. That's what we need to do. Don't worry about the red. It's retracing. See, it's retracing itself. That is very rare. Look at the length on these candles, these wicks. Very, very rare. This is very bullish this morning. Very bullish. So, yeah, welcome, guys. Everybody that's dropping in right now. Good morning, guys. People that's first time here, welcome to CS Trades 101. It's going to be a good day today. I'm going to stay on here for about an hour and a bit with you guys. Just hanging out and just chilling, just watching our money crank into our accounts. That's all I'm here for. Oh, big sell-off. Big sell-off. That's going to kick back up, though. It can't sustain that. There's no frigging way. Not with that much. Not with that much volume. I thought the volume stopped. I was like, uh-oh. So there's our line again. We had somebody sell. Some people are selling right now. That's what's happening. But it's okay. Don't worry. Let them sell because we're buying it back up like hotcakes. It's their fault. They're not going to get rich. They could have made a couple $100,000 already with the numbers and stuff. Like once we hit 70, we're already at 100G, right? US, right? So, and then that's just one account. So yeah, it's tempting to cash out. For sure it's tempting to cash out. It could set you up for life, right? 100 grand, I can turn 100 grand into a couple million. Easy, easy, easy. I turned 2 grand. Look at my portfolio. I've turned 2,000 into multiple hundreds of thousands in 6 months. And I got proof. Look at my, even though I'm in the red today, it's still, I'm down probably about $3,000 out of 100G, which isn't bad. Right? It's just how the market is. Tuesdays, Wednesdays are ass days, I call them. They're ass days because they suck ass. They do. They just always tank. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday are usually the worst days to trade on. Right? Monday can be a pretty good trading day. So, we got definitely a fight on our hands. We need some more volume. The volume slowed down a bit. There was a lot of anxious people in the morning, but well, we just get a couple, a little bit more, 2 more candlesticks, and we'll be back at $60, guys. That's just how it rolls. That's how AMC is, right? This is a level right here that we've tapped on a couple times. So I'm gonna go back again. I just want to see something. It's just for, yeah, I was right. We've tested these waters. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're gonna need to hit this. The fourth. 1, 2. Okay, we test it 1, 2, 3. The 4th time or the 5th time is a charm with the AMC. It seems to be the 5th time that we test resistance. We just smash right through it. Okay, it's just the way the AMC is. It's set up like that. Like we got a lot of fighting, right? So once we make it through here, our next level that we have problems getting is around the $70 mark, around 68. I'd say about 72. And then after, if it gets past this 76, sky's the limit, guys. It's going to go to 100, okay? There's nothing stopping us. Somebody's selling off right now, guys. I hate to tell you that, but we got institutional selling right now. Something's screwing with us right now. That's exactly what's happening. 100%. 100% that's what's happening right now. There's too much volume coming in for anybody. Yeah, if we didn't have this much volume right now, it would have drove us right down to like $30. And yeah, you did hear me correctly. It would have cranked us down to $20 or $30. That's how much volume's coming in right now. If that was negative volume, we'd be in trouble. Big trouble. So there we go. So how's everybody doing this morning? Drop me a chat. How you doing? 6MT, thanks for the good morning. You don't have to call me sir, brother. You can if you want, but it's all good, man. I'm just a normal person like you, bro. Trust me, I am. I just love hanging with you guys in the morning. Like, when I was at that week of work, I was at work on my phone at 6:25, just before market open, thinking of you guys. Okay, especially yesterday, I was just on my phone at work, just looking. I got my watch, and smartwatch. I was just checking it, and I was going, "Oh man, I wish I was hanging out with the Wolfpack right now instead of working." So yeah, I love doing this. I don't get paid to do this. I just sit here and just hang out with you guys. It's awesome. I love it. Okay, I'm not liking this, but what can you do, right? We're getting a little bit schwacked here, but it's okay. We got up to those levels, so now we have a target for the day. Okay, our target is $60 for the day. Okay, guys? Uh-oh. Yeah, there's something happening here. I'm just thinking. I wonder if I forget. I'm just trying to pull his name up. He's really good with news. He can pull up news like this on AMC. I don't know what site he uses. I should actually ask him, because if I could pull some news up right now, something's happening on the market right now with AMC. Some institution is selling, or they've dumped. Not AMC hasn't dumped shares in, but something is happening right now to drive it down like 8%. Yeah, something's fishy going on there, and that's not just a ladder attack. Trust me, that's not. Oh, here we go, back up. So something dumped shares, so we're going to have to consult, and we're just going to drive our way back up, which is fine, right? I know we all want to see huge gains, but yesterday was crazy. 15%? 15 frigging fucking percent was awesome. Awesome stuff. That looked so good. I was looking at my bank account. I was up 15G. I was like, ho, 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 ho. Yeah, that was beautiful. Good way to end the day. Here we go. We're working our way up. Oh, what a rough night last night. Oh, fell asleep on the couch. I was doing some work. We're doing some actually homework for you guys on here. I was monkeying around with some charts, trying to figure out some patterns and stuff. I'm trying to build my own patterns that I'll be teaching, actually. You'll have to pay for it, though. I hate to tell you, because I do lots of work. But I do share some of the knowledge on how to build a portfolio. If you go into the playlist, you can go under charts. It shows you how to do it, how to build a couple thousand into multiple hundreds of thousands within 6 months. Okay. It's just, and a lot of it's luck too. Okay. I'm very transparent. I don't smoke up people's asses. Okay. So I did run into a lot of luck, with AMC. Okay. This is just pure luck, guys. Okay. And obviously, if you don't put your money in, you don't get the action behind it, right? But this is pure luck. This is a volatile stock, and it is just pure dumb ape luck, okay? Because this could have gone the other way, okay? But the numbers, what I'm seeing is I'm starting to get a little bit worried with AMC. I know I'm saying that, but there's just, not that I'm believing the fear mongering, it's just that I don't think it's going to go over into a couple thousands, okay? I hate to say that and broadcast that live. It might hit 1,000, but I don't think we're going to see 5-10 grand a stock. No, I don't see that. We don't have enough volume. There's no frigging way. We'd have to have double the volume coming in, and we've slowed down to a trickle now, okay? So, but yeah, I definitely see it squeezing for sure. It's going to, but nobody can predict that. I can't even predict that stuff, right? But if it goes up to $1,000, man, that's pretty friggin' good. That if it goes up to 1,000 and you want it to go 2 or 3, that's just pure greed, okay? Especially if you're in it where I bought, that's $1 million, man. You don't need more money than that, okay, to change your life, okay? You should be able to take that 100 grand. If I was to cash out, which I'm not going to cash out, I'd have 100 grand right now. Okay. I can flip that into multiple millions of dollars on the stock market. I already know that. Okay. That, like, it's a no brainer, right? I already have some stocks that I'd flip like 20, 30 grand in right now. And per day, I could pull 10% per day verbatim, which means constantly every day, 10%. I could make myself 10 to 20 grand a day on like 30, 40 grand. Continuously on just one stock. I could put 4 stocks up on my computers and monitor each one and paper trade them and make some serious cake, right? So we're going to be doing that live. I'm going to be doing that once we do cash out. I'm not going to be cashing out my money and just banking it and running because the tax man's going to hit me, right? So what I want to do is I'm going to flip it. I'm going to turn my 20, 30 grand into a couple million within 2 years. Okay, that's my goal. 2 years. If you've watched this channel, you can follow along with me, okay, and make yourself a couple mil. I have a system. It works really good. It's about 85% accurate, which is huge on the stock market, okay? The average person will lose more money than they put in. 95% of the people on the stock market will lose more money than they put in. You heard that. It is factual information. Most people that put money in the stock market will lose it, okay? It's rigged for that reason, okay? You gotta have an exit strategy, okay? And we won't be talking about exit strategies on AMC. I can't predict this because it's just too volatile. There's too many contributing factors. We might have a big whale buy-in and jack this thing up to $800, right? We don't know. We don't know that stuff, okay? But on the average market, like say the hydro energy or like something like lithium stocks or something like that, that's where you can make your money, okay? But you got to be smart at it. Right now, I would not be investing in anything like that right now. The market's a little bit too crazy right now. Too many people are investing into to AMC and stuff. So there's a lot of money tied up into this and GME and all these meme stocks. You got to wait for this stuff to stop and then you can actually fair trade on the market, okay? You need their money behind your money, okay? If that makes any sense. Okay, so let's jump on around here. We're actually going to check out, we're going to go to GME, okay? GameStop, and I've been having problems. Oh, there we go. We fixed it. Okay, it's at $222.94. We are 2.93% in the fucking red. Oh, you heard me. Shit. Oh, man. I just want this thing to rip so bad because when one rips, the other usually follows. But I've noticed that AMC's breaking away from GME for some reason. I think it's because of the price difference, okay? And remember, oh, I know why. Guys, I know why this tanked. Some people forgot to take their sell limits off. That's when it hit $60. It went down immediately. Make sure you have your upper sell limits off. That's what happened. It hit an even number and went down. That's what happened with GME. A lot of people are going to be pissed when they look at that and when they wake up in the morning. It automatically sells for you, if you have that set. So here we go again. I was gonna leave it on here. We're gonna we're gonna crack through this. We gotta bounce over another candlestick. It's up. When it goes up any higher than this, what goes up will come down. Okay, as we seen it. Look on the other. Look beside us on the chart. Everything that's gone up has come down. So we got to do little baby steps. Okay, consolidate baby step over red candle down, green up a little bit higher, just like that. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully you don't get a negative reversal here, though. Yeah, see, we had too much of a climb there. It can hold, though. It can hold for sure. But that's how it works, guys. So, anyways, we're going to go back over. We're at GME. We're just checking that out. I'm going to go back over there. I just want to check some stuff out here. So I do see that GME will probably squeeze again. The stocks are a little bit pricey right now, so you only have like people that are pretty well off, or you got people buying 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 stocks because you could spend 10 stocks. That's over $2,000, right? That's a big chunk of money. I don't know about for you. MicroVision, okie dokie. Where's Micro hiding? There it is. Micro's done. I got stupid charts here. I got to switch this here, guys. There we go. So MicroVision is not doing that bad, really. I know it's only at 1%, but it's doing a steady climb, right? There's nothing wrong with that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful right here. These steps, that's what I've taught you guys on here. Okay. That's what you want to see. Okay. So if they keep on doing this, it's just going to keep on climbing slowly. So let's pull this out here and see what happened. There was sporadic overnight. So we're going to hit, we don't have that much to refer it to. We had a big sell off yesterday, eh? See, I was at work. I didn't see this. Holy crap. Wow. That was a big chunk. That was down like, what did that come down? What did it come at? $22 pretty much down to 20. That was a $2 downfall. Ouch. Ooh. Have you guys made exit strategies on this at all? I'm just asking questions. Or are you guys holding it long? What's going on here? I'm going to pull this trend line off here though. Okay. So, I just 6MT, are you in on this long, or are you gonna dump this once you get to your target? Since $2 you've been holding this? Holy crap. So $2, you're up 2,000%. You're up 2,000%? No. Is that right? Okay, 200. Yeah, you're up 2,000% right now, brother. Good for you. Good for you, man. Are you gonna dump this? Or are you gonna keep on holding it? I'm just asking a straight question, and that's why about this channel you can be very transparent on. You can, right? Oh yeah, I wanted to check out the MA. I wanted to add some more stuff here, but we'll do that afterwards. Indicators, MA. Where is it? Did it? EMA right there. There we go. Just wanted to see that. So yeah, we're gonna go back. Yeah, this is doing pretty good right now. See what I said? It's gonna go up in segments. Still holding till 30 plus, and then yeah, you're gonna make an exit strategy. Good for you, bud. I'd really like to see an exit strategy, especially on something like this. I do own shares in this. I do have a target to sell to, for sure, because this is not going to run forever. As you guys know this from the past, and especially you should know this if you've been holding it for $2. It's just going to go like this, and it's slowly going to go down, okay? And it's just going to stay at a certain mark, okay? Because it's going to lose the hype, right? I'm not saying yet. It probably will go 30 plus. But I'm just saying that this is one of those stocks that... it is what it is, right? Same as AMC is eventually going to do the same. They all will do the same thing. I don't want you guys to lose lots of money. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Okie dokie. So, we're actually going to go into some BlackBerry here. Okay, ticker symbol BB. Ooh, ouch. Just got schwacked this morning, too. Look at that bloodbath. That's a big sell-off. I did sell my BlackBerry, by the way. I told you guys that. And I lost $500 on it. Yeah, it is a very good stock. MicroVision is definitely a good stock, but it only has a certain value, like every stock, right? I'm not trying to be negative. I'm not telling anybody to sell. No. I'm just telling you that in your mind, you should have a goal exit strategy. Like AMC, I have a couple different targets in mind. It depends on what the stock is doing, right? And that's what you predict off, right? It is a good stock. Same as BlackBerry is a beautiful stock. They have a lot of good software and stuff. It's just realistically, it's just one of those things, right? It's not going to go to like $300-400. I can tell you that right now. I would love it to, but it's not going to, okay? I can tell you that right now. It's not going to go to $1,000, $2,000. That's freaking impossible. Impossible, okay? Because they don't have enough volume. And I've been watching this stock. I was in 5G on this stock, right? And I'm very transparent on this channel. There's a lot of channels that'll go out there and blow smoke up your ass, okay? Because they want you to pump their stocks and make money. And then they pull out and not tell you on the channel, okay? That happens all the time and you guys don't even know it happens, okay? I know that for a fact. So, with BB, we're at $16.52. We're at negative 3.22%. Okay. I could definitely see this sitting about the $50, $60 range in the next year or two, okay? but you're going to have to wait that long for it to go up that high. Okay? It could possibly go higher, but you're going to have to wait 3-4 years for that. Okay? It's just statistics, right? I've been watching BlackBerry since they were since they were BlackBerry phones, like texting phones, right? When they had their phones. And yeah. So I just don't want you guys to be in these pipe dreams and stuff and have all this money tied up and you're waiting for something that'll never happen, right? So, but yeah, you have to have the volume. If you don't have, there's never any volume in BlackBerry. It's lost its momentum. Okay, we had a drive back in here, and that's when I cashed out my shares. I was down 500 and I dumped it. Okay, and then it went down the next day, back down to nothing again. Right, so I'm gonna reposition in this stock. I'm not leaving BlackBerry alone. I'm gonna buy when it's back down to $11, and it'll probably be back down there within about 3-4 weeks. It'll be about $13 range, $11 to $13. That's exactly where it's gonna be. I know that, right? If you look at past history. Okay, and then I'm going to reposition in it, and then I'll be very comfortable. I might even put 10 grand in this time. I might double down from last time, right? It's just I was at $24, I think I paid for it. $24, right? I'm not going to wait 5 years for it to come back that way. So I lost 500, but I sold this COVID pill, and I'm glad I did because I got it at 20. I bought it at $1.23, and I thought I actually owned it at $1.03 for some reason in my head. So I sold out on it, right? I made $800 more. So it covered the loss on BlackBerry, plus it had $200, which is taxes pretty much. So I'm still a little bit behind, I guess, on it. But this hit a lawsuit, 2 class action lawsuits. That scared almost all the retail investors. I pulled out immediately. I don't want to be part of that lawsuit. I don't want to be getting emails. Can you support us and stuff? Can you do a survey to say that it's a good stock? No, bite me. Okay? You guys got yourselves sued, not me. Right? Same as I'm down on this lithium stock. I'm down about 95%. That's when I first started trading. This one. And then this Fusion Metal right here. They do nothing. They're junk stocks. Okay? You heard me, junk. Okay, I'm down 65% on this one. I've lost almost 10 grand in between these 2 stocks, but I built substantial amount on the other ones. Okay, so that is where my negative is. These 2 stocks are in my negatives. So everything else is straightening itself out right now. I'm not Mr. Negative today, but I'm coming on here and I'm going to be more transparent than a lot of the other YouTube channels, right? A lot of them I've noticed that are lying about stuff. I can just tell that they're pulled out of stocks, sold out, and they're still trying to pump them, and they don't have anything in them. They don't have any proof. They don't come on and prove that they own these stocks, right? If anybody asks me, good morning, Free, how you doing? We're just giving a lecture right now about how a lot of people are blowing smoke up people's asses on these YouTube channels saying that they own these millions of dollars worth of stocks and they own fuck all, okay? So if you ever want me to prove anything, you know I'll jump on here on my phone right now and pull up my share count and how they're worth, and I'll even show you how much I've lost. Right? That's being transparent. And a lot of people don't like that, right? A lot of people like being lied to, right? I don't know why. It's weird, but like some people love being lied to. They love it when you lie to them. Okay. So anyways, enough of that stuff. So guys, yeah, let's jump over to AMC again and let's so Free. So what you think about AMC? You think it's going to pass 60? It already did pass 60, my friend, today. It already did. And yes, it's on its way there right now. Now that you mentioned that, it'll be there in about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes, it's going to be past $60 again. Okay? We just need let me look at the screen here. The volume slowed down. We're on a crawl right now. We could do it in about 10, maybe 15 minutes. Right? Because we're going to get this crap right here. We're going to keep on getting these power backs, I call them. And yes, it's going to pass 60 today. We could get in power hour, we could hit $70, just under, about 56 or 60, 66, 68, somewhere in there. But by Friday, we're going to have a good go. There's a lot of options expiring. People are into the options. The hedges are actually pulling out of these for short positions. Okay. A lot of them have doubled down. They've scattered the information so you can't really detect it anymore. It's not common knowledge anymore. All these platforms are not covering it. They're saying it's a breach of privacy now. So they're trying to change the laws on that so we can't go after them and look at this stuff. So it's all going to be speculation. Okay, so what we need, I hate to see it, we do need these 2 red candles, and we're going to get a couple green ones, and it's going to drive us up. So when I say that, that is consolidation. We're building momentum. We have to build more. Oh, here comes the volume. See, we can't tell if that's negative volume or positive volume. See, that's the problem with these charts. They don't know either, right? It just monitors volume. You got all these platforms and stuff, and then they compile together the volume. Okay, so we don't know if they're selling volume or buying volume. I wish it would distinguish it, but it's a privacy breach again, right? So there you go. Watch this. See, there you go. Oh, don't do a reversal on us. But that's how AMC is. We have to have 2 or 3 reds to get a green. It's just how it rolls, right? Ah, fuck, we got a reversal here. Shit. Yeah, the volume's slowing down. It's running out of steam. Come on, man. Oh, we did it. We've reversed it back to green. We're going to have a fight on our hands today, guys. I told you that right in the beginning. This whole week is going to be a week that we've never seen before. And yes, we're probably, by the end of the week, we're going to be up close to the 100, if not higher. Okay? Definitely by Monday. So the dates that I keep on getting, that keep on coming up on social media, and I've checked them, is the 18th and around the 23rd to the 25th, okay, of June. Okay, and after that, there's really nothing. There we go. See what I'm saying? We need that. We need to have this red here to kick us. There, you hit your $60, bro. Didn't I just say in 5 to 10 minutes that it was going to go to 60? Yeah. You can tell by the volume, guys. You guys will be as good as me. Just keep on watching my channel. It's going to kick us back down, though. I hate to say that. We're going to hit this line again. It's going to blast us back down again. But not down here. It's just that these are 2 longest candles. Okay? We need to come over here and consolidate up like our steps, like we always do on this stock. It's the way we have to do it. We have asshole hedges that are just wanting to hedge this shit out of us. Okay? So, okay, I'm going to read out of the chat here. Well, what do you think about hedge funds buying $4 million in Yeah, puts on it. I know. Well, they got to make... There we go. Did I tell you we'd have to wait till the second candlestick? There you go. Just crank the new limit for the day. There, we just tapped out. We just tapped it. Told you, today's going to be a good day, guys. I told you that. Okay, we need to go over. Whoa. Slow down a bit. We need to kick over to another candlestick, or else it's just going to crank us back down. So you guys will get my system. You guys will get my system when you're like, whoa, why is he telling it to slow down? Move to the next candlestick. You'll catch on to what I'm seeing eventually. It's hard to do. Like, I've been watching thousands of hours of candlesticks. Okay? AMC is not the normal stock. Okay? It has its own rhythm. The backseat rhythm. It does. It has its own rhythm, right? And we usually have to test these limits 4 to 5 times before we can smash through a new limit. It's just the way it is. Unless we have, like watch this. This will probably go into a red. Okay, guys, I'm not trying to scare you. I said probably. Hopefully it doesn't, but it's rare that we'll get 3 candlesticks in a row with AMC. Oh, actually, no. Look at the volume coming in now, guys. Correction. Look at this volume over here. Holy crap. I didn't see the volume coming in here, guys. But like I said, we can't tell if that's negative or positive volume. It's both. It's fighting like hell right now. Yeah, it's just going, it's levitating. It's going like this. We could get a reversal on this. Because people right now are into the money big time right now. Yeah, I already kind of knew that was going to happen, but it's okay. It's okay. Just let it do its thing, and we'll go red. We'll go red a couple streaks, and then we'll slowly work our way back up. These candlesticks were too long. They should have been half the size, and we would have held the number. So we're probably this. I don't like predicting stuff on the negative end of it, so I'll stop doing it because I do believe in karma. See, I kind of knew that was going to happen, but I'll stop predicting the negatives unless you guys want to learn. I'll keep on doing it and teach you the patterns if you want. It's just that we have to have these reds on this stock. Like if this sticks red, we're guaranteed within the next two to have a green, right? But I'm very bullish on this today. Wow, is this a good one? This is a good one. See, a lot of these guys will come in here too. And what they'll do is wait for this to go to 10 to 15% and dump it. They're paper trading it, okay? You can paper trade AMC. It's just that you can lose a lot of money. You got to watch what you're doing. But you can paper trade it. Lots of people do, right? I don't recommend it with this one because you could get yourself fucked big time, okay? Because this thing could crank up $20 or $10 and then you sell out and then all of a sudden it goes higher and now to buy back in could cost you a frigging fortune, right? It's the wrong... Excuse me. Sorry about that. So, anyways, it's the wrong stock to do that with. But yeah, Okay, so let's jump on over here. I can't wait for this one to go up. Right here, I can't wait to go back up. I'm dumping this too. Okay, this is a lithium company. Okay, it's out of California. And we're going to put it on the 30-minute. They don't get that much. 30-minute and we still don't have anything. Wow, we're on the 1 hour candle. Okay, so yeah, see, this is bad. Okay, I bought it when it was up in here. I got screwed on this one. Okay, I'm very transparent. I told you guys that. So, yeah, I got screwed on this. So I bought up here. It went down. Just keeps on going down, 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 down. So once this gets back up to, I don't even know the amount that I have. I have an alarm set on my phone under TD trade. But once it does, it's gone. It's gone. It was a good stock. I think I got caught in a pump and dump. That's what happened to me. Okay. And this is when I first started trading. There's 3 stocks that just bit me in the ass. Okay. BlackBerry was one of them. I straightened that out the other day. I got rid of it. And I'm going to relocate. I'm going to buy back in on BlackBerry, but I'm going to wait until it goes down because it is going to go back down. Right. It's just one of those things. It's just I bought BlackBerry at like $24, right? And to hold it, I've already been holding it for a long time. I reinvested the money back in AMC. I have hey Kat, how you doing? Lecture day today. I'm just telling we're going through all the negative stuff that I've done, that I've lost money in just because I want some people to learn what to do. Well, don't get caught in a pump and dump. Like I got caught in this pump and dump here. And it hurt. It really hurt. It happened on 3 different stocks. So anyways, I'm going to jump off here and I'm still trying to straighten it out, right? I got caught in the pump and dump on BlackBerry, right? So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that, and we're going to go back over to AMC. So we are going to probably most likely, what are we at? $60, 80. Yeah, see, we're getting that. Oh, get off the 1 day here. It's looking good. This is beautiful. That is beautiful stuff. You guys that watch my channel, you should know about this. Okay, what do you, okay, sorry, good morning, AMC. Sorry, Kat, debating to buy my last few. Was that ticker symbol TRCA? Okay, let's check this out. I really like Kat. She's a good person. She's really educated on stocks. She watches her stock. Torchlight? Holy shit. Okay, just have a look here. Just, whoa, don't be buying anything. Well, I can't tell you what to do, but let's have a look at this before you buy anything. Okay, it does trade after hours, okay? As soon as market opened, they had a big sell-off, which would have been a good buy down here. Well, there's a lot of volume coming in here. Okay, where the fuck? Just hang on, guys. Sorry, after I get off here with you, I gotta do some serious work on this stupid fucking thing. Pardon my language, but I don't like people messing with my stock shit. Okay, here we go. I can't get the ticker symbol up on the side, so we're going to have to read off of it. I can't tell you the volume. I can tell by the way the candle's levitating that there's a lot of volume coming in here. For some reason, my chart's all messed up. I think somebody tried hacking my computer. That's what I think happened, because a whole bunch of my diagrams are missing, a whole bunch of stuff. So what I think happened was somebody tried hacking my computer, and my computer quarantined a whole bunch of stuff. And when it quarantines a file, it takes that file out. Okay, well, I went in there and erased all the quarantine stuff instead of repairing it, because I didn't know what was going on. I seen all this quarantine stuff, so I just went and dumped it. Well, I dumped a bunch of my files. This platform I use for you guys on YouTube was missing a whole bunch of stuff. So I think that somebody was trying to hack my YouTube channel. That's what I think they were trying to do, because we cover a lot of stuff. I'm not saying I'm anybody, right? We're not going there, okay? I'm just saying that I cover some personal information on here that people don't like about stocks. I dig really deep and I tell people what I think, right? And how it is. So, Kat, yes, this is, it would have been this is a buy in here for sure. I don't know that much about this stock. Torch. Energy. Okay, it's an energy sector. It does pay a dividend 15 hours ago. Okay, it pays a dividend, guys. Okay, what does Kat say? If you own dredge, which turns into, you will get a dividend. That's awesome. I just seen that. I was just reading that, Kat. See how Kat digs? She's good at digging. She's good at digging on stuff and finding info here. Sometime this year. So it's annually dividend. Okay, well, there's nothing wrong with that. Russell deleted fuel cell energy comes from the trading. Okay, I'm not going to stay on here too long. It's up 43%. Wow. Yeah. I would watch that, Kat. You know better than all of us. You're pretty good at that. You know what to do when it. Remember, we always talk about on the just a one-time dividend. Just a one-time dividend. Oh, it's not annually. Oh, wow. See, that's what they're doing, is trying to entice you into buying the stock. Okay. So, oh, what's going on here? There we go. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we got a lot of volume coming in. We got lots now. Look at this. Look at this. Look how fast the numbers are clicking by on the market cap. That's insane. So when the market cap goes like, say, 80, 82, 80, 82, 82, that's a buy, sell. Somebody's buying and selling. Okay, but if you see it go up, that's just strictly selling. That's the only way I could figure out how to read these charts like that, because it's personal information. They don't share that stuff. Okay, volume is all of it. Okay, you can't distinguish what's buying and selling. But look at this go. I told you guys. I told you today this thing's gonna hit some high numbers. Whoa, look at that go. Okay, somebody's bought in, an institution or something's purchased. That's not just pure, that's FOMO. That's definitely pure FOMO, or an institution's buying in right now. That's pure buying power, guys. It's overriding those are big candlesticks. They're huge. Beautiful stuff. I love it. If we can get another 15 to 20% today, that's smashing it. That's fucking awesome. Look at this go. Do just to know one to okay, I'm just reading your old. So yeah, Kat, back to that. Well, I just want to keep it on here because I don't want to miss anything, and this is all recorded. Okay. I sent some stuff off. You heard of the Mulligan brothers that are doing that film? I sent a bunch of our stuff off. Of the Wolfpack. We could be on TV. I don't know. I gave them rights to use our channel for that, because we have that live ladder attack on MicroVision. I think we're the only ones to get it. I had like 3,000 hits on that. But we caught I think Kat was on live when that happened with me. I think it was your first or second time coming on the Wolfpack channel, the CS Trades 101. It caught us live. You guys can go back in and check under MicroVision on my playlist. And we caught a live ladder attack. The whole chart was just waving like this. I've never seen anything like it. You think you've seen a ladder attack on this shit? No, man, this was crazy, crazy, crazy. The whole chart on the side where the red and the green, I don't subscribe to it anymore because it's just crap. It's junk. I'm not giving them $60 a year for that junk on Webull. It's not worth it. It's an order chart. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't predict anything. It doesn't tell you anything. If anything, it gives you false information. So, but anyways, it was going like this. How it still usually goes up like this in chunks. It was actually going in waves, man. It's pretty cool stuff if you want to see it. So anyways, the Mulligan brothers are making a documentary on AMC and GME. So I gave them rights to use our stuff. I just, not for money, just to document it because they're making that film, right? So you guys could be on national TV, right? If you're in the chat bar talking and stuff, your name could come up on there. Just giving you, and you guys already signed all that information anyways when you join the channel that I have rights to that. Just so you know, and it's not for money. It's for publicity. That's all it's for, to get the message out. I don't want any money for it. Okay, I'm not money hungry like that. Okay, we're at $62.78. $10 we're hit, or 10%, we're racking about 9.67 to 10% already, and we're at 7:17 in the morning. This is deadly. Okay, I'm gonna be on here till about 8:05, and then I gotta take my dog into the vet for his teeth cleaning today. That's my big day. Isn't that weird? You have to take the dog in and get his teeth clean. I know. I love him so much. His name's Finnegan. He's a good little boy. He's my baby. He's daddy's little baby. But yeah, he gets spoiled. I don't know how much this is going to cost, but it is what it is, right? But yeah, with those Poms have really soft teeth and they have bad teeth problems. So he's young, and I see all these older Poms with bad teeth and it's really, really sad. So I'm going to get his teeth cleaned because I don't want that to happen to him, or prevent it at least. I'm just kicking back and relaxing. I'm gonna have my morning vape here, so you guys can just chill out, watch the screen. You guys are probably having your coffee, chilling out at home, eh? So yeah, here we'll get some side action a bit, and then we're gonna go to the next level, guys. That's just how it is. See, we're hitting some new numbers here. These are high numbers, and people are gonna sell. Okay, and a lot of them say, I don't sell, and they'll pull the tough roll, especially on Reddit. Oh yeah, man, like, and there's a lot of this Photoshop crap going around, okay? With Amtrade, I have $5 million now, and I own all these shares. No, you don't. You're full of crap, okay? They're Photoshopped, and people are actually calling them out now on it, okay, and banning them off those channels, okay? So what it is how would you know and that unless you sold out? And then they're trying to play the solid act. No, I didn't sell. Sure, right? So yeah, anyways, or they'll be photoshopping it, and there's some people doing that on the YouTube channels too, which is not cool, man. It's coercing people into buying and selling stuff, and it's not good. I don't believe it. I think those people should be banned immediately. Wow, my whole portfolio's switched. It's weird how it goes up and down, eh? Sundial's just getting hit right now. Yeah, I was just talking to somebody at work yesterday. He was asking about Sundial, and I said, yeah, man, it's a good stock. Buy. Good. I hope he's watching it and he buys in right now. Now is when you want to buy at this. I would wait, actually. I'd wait until about, I don't know, I'd let it do its thing because it's come down. It's coming down pretty fast, actually. But yeah, these are the days you want to buy. Sundial will always be worth money. I see that being at $5 to $10 stock in the next couple years. It'll take a couple years though, right? They got a lot of shares. That's the problem, those companies. You got to see how many shares they got. And the worst is when you buy a stock and then they go and they issue more shares. That should be against the rules, man. Right? I know they do voting for it, but I wonder where Moon Unit is today. Here we go. There we go. That's that side action we needed, guys. There we go. Okay, stop there and go over. and then we'll be able to hold it. In the 1 minute, I'll blow that up for you guys, a little better view. There we go, there we go, there we go. Do you guys want me to cover anything else on here? If you want me to cover anything else, just hit me a ticker symbol. It's just that I'm going to be very watching this today, okay? We're going to get a reversal, guys, on this one a bit, which is fine. It'll give us some little bit more consolidation, and then we're going to go over and we need to take chunks, okay? Little chunks. Wow, this is good. It really grew, really good day. There we go. I could reverse on us, though. Okay, did it free? You're still there, brother. I haven't seen you usually. I thought maybe you stepped out for a bit. What price do you think AMC will start the squeeze and the hedge you start to cover? Well, that is a good question, Free. What do I think? Well, some have actually covered their positions, okay? I hate to say that, but they have. A majority haven't. But we got another thing that's coming. It might not be a short squeeze, but we'll still have a big gamma squeeze because of these options, okay? Now they're getting into options. I've noticed the options have been going off the friggin' wall. There's like billions of dollars being traded in options. So they've found a new thing to do. They buy options. They're using our power to their advantage now. They're learning a little bit off us, okay? Which is not bad because this thing's going to go no matter what now, okay? We have baby gamma squeeze. We have FOMO. There's a whole bunch of contributing factors that will kick this. That's what's happening right now. This is FOMO, okay? This is pure FOMO happening right now, okay? We could be hitting in a baby gamma right now. We don't know because we're almost hitting 13% in the last hour, right? That's pretty good. Okay, remember we were down at like, let's not even talk about what we were at before. Okay, so and the squeeze or hedging. I think that we're going to hit a squeeze. They're going to start. We're getting up pretty high, guys. Once we get in the $70 range and above that, they're going to be covering. They're going to start covering the ones that haven't yet. Because that's getting up there pretty. You have to remember they're paying interest to borrow on this too, right? Okay, HYG. Do you think it will go up or down? I'll put puts on HYG. Is that the ticker symbol there, my friend? I'm taking it to the HIG. Really? Did I do that? HY. Sorry, guys. Okay, is this Toronto Stock Exchange? Is it a Canadian stock? I'm on the wrong thing, I think. Am I? Correct me, brother. I wouldn't be doing anything with this one if this is the stock. No, I'm on something wrong here. You can't, that's not it, correct, is it? Or maybe it could be. I don't know. Puts and options, guys, I don't like giving information on that. That is your own you can do that on your own, figuring stuff out. I don't want to mislead anybody on that. It's just that you can run into bad problems, okay? Oh, okay, I get you now, Free. When the squeeze starts, how high do you think the price is going to go? I think we'll top 1,000. We were just talking about this earlier. We need the volume. If we keep volume like this, it's going to be a hell of a ride. But if we don't get the volume, it's only going to go to a 300-400, man. Okay? And I hate to say that. I'm not trying to burst a bubble, but we need volume. Anybody that is experienced trader or anybody that has any freaking brains in there and then not just trying to pump a stock and trying to get stats on their channel will tell you the same thing. It's all about the volume. You have to have positive volume. We're not just talking volume where you're selling too. We're talking the positive end volume, buying power. You have to have substantial buying power. Like this right now could do it. It could do it, especially when they're covering their positions. You have this on top of FOMO and people covering their positions. This could crank it. Man. Okay, that was the wrong one. Okay, I'm going to try it again. HYG. What's it actually called? You have to print the name out, man. Because there's like 5 of them there. I got the ticker symbol, but you got to just tell me the full name. And then I can look for it. Because there's like 5 things under there. And I'm broadcasting. I don't want to start searching through things, right? It's just because we've got lots of people watching. Only 10 on here, but we got other channels too, my guys. But I don't mind looking it up for you. Not a problem. Okay, let's have a look over. Okay, GameStop, GME. Ooh, it's taking a hit today. It's down $9.60. We're at $219.59. 4.29%. So they are, I think the people are not, they're getting another dilution. Okay, they're dumping more stocks into that. Okay, GME is. So a lot of people are waiting for that to happen. I don't think that many people are buying in on it right now. I hate to tell you that, but GME has some weird shit going on with it. AMC was going to do that, but we voted it out. Okay, remember the votes that we did? Remember, if you guys did, if you own AMC stock, you would have got this. Okay, you would have got an email or a letter. Okay. Oh, it's iShares, iBox. Okay. iShares, iBox. Okay, let's have a look again. HYG. Thank you, brother. iShares, I got it. That helps me a lot. Okay. Let's have a look on the 30-minute here. Woo. They don't have that much volume in here, my friend. Which doesn't mean anything, I guess, if they're... I don't know about this one, man. Wow. Those are huge diversions. Look at that big W. Look at that double bottom. Holy crap. That's huge, huge movement. Look at that. That's trading at 87 down to 60, 67. That's like $1. Oh, wow. That's it. Those are huge. Those are huge. Look at that. Okay, hey, whoa. We got 1 double bottom, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those are bullish signs. It's going to keep on going. Okay, all the indicators say that this is going to climb higher. So I can't predict this, man. I would have to watch this at least a couple days. But those are all bullish signs. These are all bullish signs. All these are good indicators, man. These double bottoms, triple bottom, double bottom here, double bottom here. Yeah, double bottom here. So yeah, this is going to go up higher. It's going to go up higher. I put at 87.50. Well, then you're going to be in the money then. You're in the money now. Did you already put them in, or you're going to put them in? This one's for 6MT. Because if you already put them in, you're already in the money, buddy. You're already cranking the cash in your account. 87.55. Yeah, you're already in it. It's at 55 right now. I'm going to jump off of here, guy, just because back on AMC. Put it on the 1 minute. Do you guys like it on the 1 minute candle, or do you guys want me to put it on the 5 minute? What do you guys prefer? We're going to do an online vote here. Because a lot of 1 minute candle stresses a lot of people out because it's too in depth. The 5 minute is less, you see less red when it's doing good, right? I personally like the 1 minute. 1 minute candles is more for paper trading, okay? But I like it. I like it because I like firsthand news, right? Ow. Here we go. Look at the volume come in here all of a sudden. It just bumped. There we go. We're gonna see this thing kick. I can't tell if it's I'm looking at it right now. Oh, it is. No, it's selling and buying. If you look at this market cap thing, okay, look at it. It's at 91, 92, 99, 89, 87. It's back and forth, back and forth. So this is they're ladder attacking us right now. They're trying to. Watch it. It'll jump back to 80. See? That's a ladder attack, guys. They're trying to fuck us. That's exactly what that is right now. I can tell you right now. But now it's back down to 80. That's what they're doing. They're trying to screw us, but it's not going to work. Okay. The whole market is red today. I know, Free. I know, man. Everything up down in the States is red for sure. Up in Canada, we got Loop Energy, which will probably go red by the end of the day. We got Suncor, which is our energy sector up in Canada here. It is on a fucking tear. I got thousands of dollars in the green on that. If I was anybody to invest, and I can't tell you what to do, but if it was me, I'd be definitely investing into Suncor Energy. They pay a dividend and a good fucking dividend too. And I'm making large money on that. I can't even remember what I bought in on this. This and the one that I keep on stressing is Air Canada. That is on 40% off right now. If you want to buy Canadian stocks, if you have American money, it's a slam dunk. It's a no frigging brainer, man. Take advantage of the Canadians, man. Right? They do have good stocks up there, and their stocks crank just as good as the other ones. Okay, I'm going to jump back on here. Yeah, the whole market is red. Holy crap. See, wow, look at them all just getting hammered. But usually Tuesdays are usually a day that happens anyways. If you look on history, Tuesdays are probably one of the worst days. They're the best days to buy, the worst days to make money. Okay? Dude, which stock is it? Which stock is it? Oh, which stock is it? Like ticker symbol? Suncor Energy, the energy sector up in Canada. They pay, I think, I forget the div. Here, let's go on here. Let's check it out. Suncor Energy is the main. They do natural gas. It's the oil patch. And they are ticker symbol SU. Okay? Very, they are going up. Every day it goes up. Every day it goes up 1 or 2%. It's just like click, 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 click. I'm already like, I bought $5,000. Plus they pay a dividend. It should show you. Yeah, the dividend. 2.72%. And that adjusts. Okay? That's what it is right now because we're in COVID. But it can go up to like 3 or 4. So I get, it's changing. It's changing. It just went up, just as we said that. Oh, dividend yield. Sorry, wrong one. That's wrong. That's wrong. Just Google it. Go on Google and check it out. But this is a good stock, especially if you have American money. You can buy a substantial fucking lot of it. Okay? And the thing is that and AC, Air Canada. Okay, right here. This is 40% off right now. This fucker trades at $50 all day long. 50 bucks. So if you pull back the chart here, they're looking at $30. They will not go bankrupt. They're under a supreme protection by the Canadian government. If this goes bankrupt, the whole country will go under. Okay, I'm serious on that. This is all they just opened up in Italy, okay, for direct flights now. If you go back, we got some time here, guys. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. I'm going to show you guys something here. Look at that, $52. That's 50% off. Okay? That's what it trades at. Okay? And this, when it comes out of COVID, this friggin' thing's going to friggin' rip. Because I know I want to go traveling. Okay? This is a no-brainer. They don't pay a dividend right now. And the thing is with Air Canada, you can't always buy it. Okay? It's not always for sale. Like, if you went back 2 years ago, you couldn't buy the stock. They lock it out for some reason. Okay? It's not always for sale. It's a privilege to own this friggin' thing. Okay? I'm just telling you that it could go up and down. It goes in waves, but I'm just giving you a heads up on it that's a money maker. Okay? I make money. That's one that you hold long though. You hold that for the rest of your life. One of these. Okay? It's just and it's a privilege to own it. It's just the same as the States one. The air down in the States. They have so many of them. I don't even want to go through them. They're like 10 or 15 good ones down there. But I'm just saying. If you have American money buying Canadian stocks, you can make some really, really good money, guys. Okay? What about Clean Spark? Clean Spark, let's check it out. Clean Sparkage. Clean, 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 clean. It's definitely in the buy right now. It's down. Let's check some history out here, guys. We got time. I'm just going to have a look. AMC is up to 11.35 right now. I'm just keeping track of it for you guys. $20? And what is it at right now? It's at 18. That's a buy signal, guys, on this one. I'm seeing a buy signal right off the board. Just let me look. Just let me look. Okay, we're on the 30-minute. I'm going to go to an hour. Just so I can cover more area then. Okay, what's it trading at right here? 16. Depends on how low it goes. Okay, it's 23. This is back in May. Before COVID. Let's 23. So it does trade around the $20 mark constantly. 23, 25. What does it go to the lowest? 16. I think it's a little bit overpaid right now. I'd wait. If it was me, I'd wait for this to go a little bit lower, another $2. And yeah, I'd buy it. I'd buy it all day long. Yeah, I'd buy it, but I'd wait for a little bit lower. Maybe by the end of the day, it could be another, if it goes down 10, if it goes down to like say 10, 12% of what it's off of right now. Well, if it goes down $18, 10% would be $1, would be 10, 12. It would go down $1.80. $1.80, put it at 17. Oh, it just went to 19. So, yeah, I don't know about that one, buddy. It does trade at $31. What's the date here? That's 2018. Isn't it? What do I got going on here? Yeah, that's back a year or so. Okay? And look at it sitting down here. This is where you wanted to buy. Oh, it's $18. That's 19. It's only up $1. I don't know, man. See, you're not going to gain that much on this stock. It trades at 2023, the tops. Like, how long do you want to hold this stock for is the thing, right? You're not going to get rich off it, I can tell you that right now. Like, nowhere close. So you're buying it at $19 pretty much, and 23 is the max. What are you trying to do? Paper hand it? If you're trying to flip it to make money, you could paper hand this. But it's going to take a while to do that. Like, who knows what's going to happen with it. Yeah, that's all I can give on this, man, because I don't really know. Like, it's going up a bit, but yeah, I don't know about that one, man. I'd have to watch it longer. It's on our list now anyways, because every time I click on it, it saves it, right? So let's go back over to AMC Entertainment Holdings is at $63.32, 11.06% in the friggin' green, and we got a double touch bottom here, sort of. Got a head and shoulders starting. Okay, well, we got more touch points than that. You could call it a double touch bottom, but not really. We got, remember how this stock at about 10 o'clock starts to really rip? Okay, so about 10 o'clock is when we're going to see some serious action on this. You have to remember, people are still in bed. A lot of people are having COVID. They're on that owl clock, right? So once the majority of the people get out of bed about 9 to 10 o'clock, 10:30, those are when the traders get up. Majority of the younger traders, okay? And that's when things rip, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to say it. Guys, if you want to see more of this stuff, hit the sub button, hit the thumbs up. Goes a long ways. Yeah, if you want to sub to the channel, I'm usually on here every day. I haven't missed a day yet. So we just cover anything you guys want to talk about. It's not financial advice. I'm just talking with you. So if you want to be a member of the Wolf Pack, just hit the sub button. Blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna have the rest of some of my coffee here. Okay. I'm going to take my break here for a bit, guys. I'm actually going to put a new trend line up. I'm actually going to do some artwork here for you guys. There you go. 1 penny off. Oh well. I'm not gonna race it for her. Yeah, I will, because that's bad luck. That's bad luck. Let's not screw around with the chart. Holy crow, it's hard to get that on there. And we're going to leave it there. We got 2 cents higher than what I wanted to be, but I'd rather be on the positive side than the negative. I believe in karma when it comes to this stuff. I don't like messing around with my mojo. Are you going to do an exit strategy on AMC? Damn rights I am. Oh, whoa, okay. Are you going to do an exit strategy on AMC? I have 67 shares. Good for you, buddy. That's actually a good little chunk of shares there. You can actually make some money on that. Yes, I am. My exit strategy is going to be all on volume. Okay, if I see that volume start dumping off, I'm out. Okay, I'm not going to be doing anything now until it gets into the hundreds. But say if it's at like 500, okay, say it's at 500 a share, and I start seeing it dip down to like 400, and then, or no, let's say it's at 600, and I see it dip down to like 400. I'm out. Totally out, right? And that's my money. I can do whatever I want, right? I could pull out now if I wanted to, right? But that would be plain stupid, right? But everybody has, that's just my opinion, that's stupid for me. I'm not talking about you. A lot of people have, what if, God forbid, what if you have health concerns or something like that, and you find out that you got diagnosed with something? Well, then pull the money out and go have fun. Forget about all the other people. Look after yourself. That's what this channel's about, okay? And we won't hate you for it. Nobody will hate you. Well, actually, people will rag on you about it. But those are the people that are lying about that they even have shares, most of them. Okay? There's a lot of people that don't have shares that are on these Reddit channels and stuff, that they're playing the act and the role, and they don't have a pot to piss in. Okay? So you gotta, or they'll both Photoshop stuff and throw stuff up and try to make you feel bad. It's just all crap, man. Right? So, you know what you own. You know what it's worth. Does that answer your question, Free? You do what you want, brother. Okay? Nobody's going to bag on you for it. We are getting some sell-off because these are new limits. You have to remember that. These are new. These are up high. They've only been up this high once before. Let's have a look here. Right? So let's check. Yeah. It was 84 was the high. Or 64, sorry. Yeah, see, these are newer limits. It's only been up here a couple times. So people that just got in or that have been along for the ride are some of them are getting out, right? Because they, for one thing, don't know the stock that well, or two, that they know this thing's very versatile, that it goes like up, down, or there could be other reasons, right? They could be just in it for the 20%, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff that plays in. But when they do sell, those stocks get eaten up big time by you and me, right? We will see this go up. This will be going like this all day long, okay? And when we're in a squeeze, this is nothing. These things will be doing like $20, $15, $10, $15, $20 V's like this up and down the board. Our volume's like gone down to a crawl right now. That's what's happening. And this is where we got to watch ourselves, because this is where if we get attacked right now, this is when they can drive it down, okay? But then there's one thing that happens when that happens. People will buy in, right? Like look at all these reds. Something happened in here again. See that? Look how slow it's moving now. You're welcome, Free. Hopefully that helps you, my brother. I just like to be very, very, very real, I guess you could call it. We don't do any bullying or anything like that or put people down on this channel, right? It's probably one of the very few that doesn't happen on. I do watch other channels too. I watch other channels to see what other people are doing. For sure, right? And I'm nosy too. I want to see what everybody else is up to, how they read charts and what they're up to, and maybe learn a thing or two, right? I do learn some things. It's rare. I pretty much know what I'm doing. But I do learn some tricks or watch them and go, why did they do that? And then look into it and find out why. I got to figure the problem out, right? But it is what it is, right? Like everybody wants to learn. And if you don't want to learn, then you got something wrong with you, right? Or maybe you're just in it for another reason. You're just in it for pure money, right? You don't care about the stock. You just want to flip and get out, right? You don't want to learn how to read charts. Which is fine, right? Yeah, it's moving pretty slow. Yeah, I almost thought I had it on the 5 minute, but it's not. It's on the 1 minute. Here we go. We're getting a little bit kick up. Here we go. Okay, these are... yeah, it's buying power coming in now. Yeah, the market cap's going up. That's pure buying power coming in right now, guys. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. About 3/4 of it is buying power. Some selling. I can see some selling there. Oh, we got some sellage right now. Yeah. You can't always go by what the chart says on there. You got to watch over here what that number does. Okay, not the volume is just all of it, but here, if it goes up like it is now, see that's selling. Somebody's selling, right? It's going back down. That's what I do. Everybody could be different. That's how I judge it because these things are all over the place, right? I think that they should give us more information on that. Okay, dude. Yeah, man. Holy crow. Some of this stuff's just getting hammered on. Wow. I'm just going to check something out here. Do they got this thing suspended? Wow. That's bad. That's so bad. Oh my God. And this is that's one of those dogs I've lost major money on. Wow. This is a shame. A shame. It's just disgraceful. Even crypto's getting hammered on a little bit today. Yeah. Weird. Oh, Suncor Energy went up. If you would have purchased that when we were talking about it, you would have gained some money right now. It's actually gone up 1%, which is a lot if you've got a lot of money in there, right? Let's have a sec. GameStop. GameStop's just getting hammered on. Holy shit. But this thing, like I said, fluctuates too. We actually got a buy signal here a bit. This is a buy-in right here I'm seeing. If you were to buy in. I know that's expensive. I don't know how rich you are. There's another one right there. But it is what it is, right? I just want to cover this. Somebody else mentioned this one, ADPT, the other day, and I was very hesitant on this. It was ripping. Yeah, this looks like to me a pump and dump, guys. Almost definitely. Like, look at that. Jesus, that's pretty scary stuff. I don't know that much about this, but look at that. Jesus. That's a hell of a ride. Like, that would stress the crap out of me. Like, look at that. Or maybe it doesn't pump and dump. I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, it's lost a lot of money, man. It's almost down to half. Yeah, that's that one that was ripping the other day. Remember? That we covered it, and I was like, oh, I don't know about this. What goes up fast comes down fast with a crash. So I'm just going to pull this right off the list because we don't need to watch that anymore. I'm done with that one. Okay, what's going on here, AMC? What's going on here? CCXI. I remember that one. Yeah, that was that one that was freaking up like 70% there that one day, Kat. Let's have a look at that. CCXI. Excuse me. Yeah, this is the one that I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. This is the one. Oh, that's a pump and dump. Holy crap, if I've ever seen one. That's exactly what that is, guys. If you want to see a pump and dump, that's a pump and dump. Totally 1,000% that's a pump and dump. That is definitely a pump and dump. Right there, there is it. Straight up. It didn't hit that high of a level. Yeah, look at that. They tried to pump it higher and it didn't go because there wasn't that much volume. Not that many people were in it. Churchill Capital. I remember this. I remember this one. Thanks, Kat. Zoom out 1 month ago. Holy shit. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. Holy crow. That is a pump and dump. 1,000%, Cat. It tanked from 70. Holy crap. I'm seeing something wrong here. 1 minute, 4 hours. There we go. Yeah, it did. That is definitely... I'm only seeing $13 here. I do believe you, though, Kat. I do believe you. I'm just... My charts... I'm being stupid here. So, that was the one... Remember you asked me, should I buy a... No, was that you that asked me? And I looked at it and go, I don't know. I would wait a day on this. And then, yeah. I remember that was a pump and dump. And that Clove did the same thing. Let's look at Clove. I'm just take the Spark Energy. I'm running out of the room here, guys. So, I'm taking some of these shares off here. Let's check out Torch. I'm going to keep an eye on Torch there because I want to show you guys some stuff. Okay, let's check out Clove. Okay, this is a pump and dump too, guys. Okay, we're going to go on the 1 hour here, or 1 day. I'm going to show you. That's a pump and dump. Okay? I knew that, though. I knew that. Did you buy in on this, Cat? Because I know you were talking about it. You were talking about it. And I think we had a chat about this. And I was talking to you about this. Was that you? Did you buy? I just want to know if, or did you buy and get out, or? But I was giving you warning bells on this one. I know it. I can spot a pump and dump from a mile away. It's just that you should be able to too. So take these examples and just copy them in your brain. Verbatim it. You should know these signs to be able to pick this out from a mile away. You bought it at $10, but that was a Clove. Did you get out? Oh no, you bought it at 10, then you would have made some good money. Yeah, 2 months it shot up. Did you cover your position? Did you get out? You bought it $10. $10 isn't a bad buy-in because it went way higher than that. Well, then there you go. It doesn't matter. Don't worry, Kat. Don't worry about it going up to 21. That isn't the point. Don't beat yourself on that. Remember we had to talk about that. That is a what if. Okay, you could have been on the shit end of that. So you did a little bit of recovery on that. Good for you. That's not a bad day. Or when I call it a bad day, it could be a week or two. But that's not bad. Okay, $1 change, $2 change is not bad at all. Okay, it's okay. You didn't get stung. Okay, that's good trading. You're doing good. Okay, it's the other way around. You could have got stung really bad on that. Okay, it doesn't matter what it shot up to, right? Because that's the thing with AMC, guys. We're gonna go back on AMC. That's what you gotta watch for. Like, there's gonna be a lot of people that get stung on this. Okay, and it's reality. Okay, that's why when I do my sell live, I'm going to pull some of these trend lines off here. This is getting a little out of control. Oh, that's why. You know, when I send my podcast out, it could go higher than what I say, but I'm comfortable with that. That's going to be my exit strategy. All I'm going to be doing is, if the people that you only get the podcast if you subscribe to the channel. You guys know that, right? Obviously. But so the people that haven't subscribed yet, you might want to hit the sub button. This is for MicroVision. and for AMC is when they go into a squeeze, we'll be telling about the squeeze. And then when they go on a downfall, when it starts going down in tiers, I'm going to put a notification out. That is up to you when you sell. I'm just going to notify you that it's going down. Okay, I'm going to be doing my sell live, and I might sell and it might go up another $100. But I don't want to be stuck with no money, because when this thing slams, it's going to be going to the right down. It's going to go down fast. Okay, within a couple days, it's gonna be worth back down to like nothing hardly. Okay, you'll probably go to about the $30 range and stay there for a while, because there'll always be people that will be wanting it to go back up. It'll only have one shot. Okay, at an actual short squeeze. Okay, because you have to remember the shorts aren't covering this anymore. Okay, AMC, they're getting into option trading. Okay. A majority of them are. You have to remember, this is strictly just my opinion on stuff. I know you can have your own opinions too. Okay? I'm just here to what would you call it? To give you heads up so you have something to work off of. Okay, whoa, what's going on here? I don't like this new chart. I'm not... Okay, we got volume coming in now. This is what we wanted. So, oh shit, we have a fight on our hands, guys. They're trying to hedge us. That's exactly what's going on here. Trying to ladder us. That's what this is. They're trying to do it. They're trying to screw with us right now. I can tell. Yeah, there's nothing. It's just bastards. Yeah, they're really pissed off right now, because if we hold this $60 today, that's substantial. That really screws them, like, big time. Wow, look at that go, eh? Wow, crazy stuff. Crazy. I guess a lot of you are heading off to work pretty soon, eh? Yeah, 8 o'clock. I always notice about this time that the subscribers go down on the channel, which is awesome. Good for you guys working, man. My job got suspended, so that's the problem with doing my line of work. So I'll be off for a couple more weeks, I guess. I got another job lined up. I just really can't discuss it because it's all confidential stuff. But yeah, I'll definitely be on here, and this thing I could be on here for the full squeeze with you guys. And this, I'll be staying on when it's in a squeeze. I'll be on here for hours at a time. Okay, don't worry about that. I'll be monitoring this thing, big time. Okay, so if you guys have to work, here we go. I'm going to be on for another 5 minutes, guys, and I got to take my dog to the vet, okay, for his teeth cleaning. Mr. Finnegan. But whoa, shit. But I will, I'm definitely very confident that we'll be in the green today. It's going to get very rough, especially when we get up in the $70 range. When we get past that when we're at 73 to 75, things are going to get crazy. That's a lot. That's billions and billions and billions of dollars that people are going to be out. Not us, but I'm just saying in retail investor, or not retail, institutions and hedge funds and hedge institutions. Like, yeah, it's going to be crazy. They're going to be trying everything. They're going to be screwing with us. Notice that the news ads have gone up. On Google, forget AMC, buy this, forget GME, forget this, forget that, buy this, it's a way better stock. There's so much of that coming out right now. I noticed it in the last 2 days. That's how you can tell that they're getting pressure. Here we go. Be nice to close out at like 20% today. That'd be awesome. 15 to 20% in there, it would be a deadly day. Deadly. I'm just gonna check our bank account right now. On Wolfpack's bank account. How long squeeze gonna last? It could be up to a week. We don't know. Most likely 3 or 4 days. It's gonna go in tiers. I've looked at a lot of squeezes online live. A lot of people have recorded it. It's going to go in tiers. It's going to be very violent. It's going to go like this, up and down. You're going to see a lot of W action. It's going to move in like $20 segments, $10 at a time, like this. It's going to be crazy. It could potentially last 2 weeks. I can't see it lasting that long. It's not going to last 50 minutes. Okay, it's not going to go up, down. That's it. Because there's so many different people that are going to be in and out at different points. Some people are at work. People have so many things going on in their life that nobody's in sync all at the same time. Okay? So that's where I come in. And that's why I put the broadcast out there and give you guys a heads up that we're in a squeeze. Okay? A squeeze, a short squeeze. When we're in a gamma squeeze, if it goes up to 100% or if it goes up to like 70, 80%, I'm not going to put a podcast out. Okay? Because that is not what we're looking for. We're looking for a full-on squeeze. Okay? And then I'll be putting the podcast out. But yeah, it's going to get crazy. And you're going to make a lot of... See, like I want it to go back to $73 because everybody's in the money then. Every one of you are in the money. Even the people that bought like 2 weeks or a week ago when it was at $72 and some chump change, right? Those people are in the money too. Because there's people that are holding the bag at that high that bought in at that are like, holy crap, I've lost a lot of money because it's down like, what, $10, right? There's people holding that, or else it wouldn't have made it that height, right? So hopefully that'll last you. Hopefully that answers your question. How long is it? I just answered your question. I think you might have double typed that, bud. I said it's going to be up to, it could be up to a week. It could be a couple days, okay? But it's like going to go in different tiers. To catch it dead on the top is going to be almost impossible. There'll be a couple 100,000 people that do, but to catch it right on that T is almost impossible, okay? If you can catch it within that 10 or 20, 30% or 10, 20% is perfect. That's exactly where you want to be, okay? Because nobody knows when it's going to come down. It's going to be dropping in segments, and nobody knows if it's going to go back up. See, that's the whole thing with the stock market, right? So you got to be very, very sure with what you do. Some people might be pulling out in different chunks. Like, I'm still debating that. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll have to wait until see how high it gets. Who knows? If it hits 1,000, I think I'm comfortable with that. I think that's going to be my exit strategy at about 1,000 and a bit. It could hit 3,000. I might be out some money, but that's my choice, right? So, and I'll be sending a podcast out to show that, right? But that's my choice. That's what I want. It's my money. I do whatever I want with my money, right? You guys do whatever you want with your money. So I know that would vary. That's $1 million. That's $1 million. If I hit $1,000, that's $1 million I'll make. So, and if I hit 500, that's $500,000. That $1 million I could turn into like 5 or 6 million within a couple months on the stock market. With my system that I do, I know that for a fact. So I will be dumping deep into BlackBerry and Air Canada, and I will be dumping into our energy sector. There's a couple things I already have my eye on what I'm doing. I'm going to be dumping a couple $100,000 in the stocks, like bam, and I'll be paper handing a lot of it too, except the energy sectors and stuff like that. But I'll be taking $30,000 and putting it $20,000 or $15,000 and $15,000 in two different stocks, and I'll be doing it live, and I'll be paper trading them daily. Paper trading them. I'll be cashing out at the end of every day and getting my 5 to 10% on my money constantly. Click, 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 click. I'll be making 5 to 10 grand a day in my pocket, right? And I'll be doing that because I'm going to build myself another couple million. And I'll be doing it live, and you guys can jump on and do it with me. It's up to you. I can't tell you what to do, right? But if you want to, that's why I put these videos out there, right? So it is what it is, right? I'm not telling anybody to sell. That's up to you. I'm just giving you an indicator that what I'm doing. So I'm just going to check something here. I'm just going to check to see what the wolf pack is at today. I like to be very transparent on this. I just want to see what we're at for, because I'm jumping offline here in a bit, a couple minutes. We're at 91,000. We're pretty much, I don't know if you can see it. I might have to turn the light off on this camera. So we're at $91,996.65 US. And I don't know if you can see that. There you go, see? I think it's better back there. There you go, guys. That's what we got in our bank account. See it? And that's right off the app, okay? So you know I'm not bullshitting, which I think you guys know by now that I'm very transparent. So there's what we got in one account, guys. Now we're going to go over to wealthsimple.com, or other broker, okay? We're going to check that out, and then I'm going to wrap the channel. I just wanted to show you, because I always do. Usually every week I show you. So we got just almost 100 grand in there now. Just off, that's just a majority of it's off. Oh, right on. We're doing good today. Okay, we're down to another $14,477. Right there. So we're over 100,000 now. We've already, the Wolfpack has over 100 G right now in their accounts, which is our account. Okay. And like I said, a lot of that's going to the Animal Society, and then we'll be doing that live on a GoPro. Okay. And I'm going to be donating that money because I don't need that much money to get by in life. I can make more money. Money is easy to make. Okay. Very easy to make, actually, especially with COVID. It's very easy to make. VV, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? How you doing? Were you just kicking it in the distance there? Like just hanging out? Were ya? Stalking my ass? I'm just joking, man. But how you doing today, bud? I'm just going to be jumping offline here. I should be off right now, actually. I got to take the dog to the vet. If Power Hour gets like totally wild and crazy, I might jump back on. Like if we're up at the 20-30% and we go crazy, I'll be back on, guys. I'll be walking you through it. I'm out of here. I got to go, guys. I didn't realize how late it was. Okay, VV, sorry I didn't have any time to hang out with you. I will be on tomorrow morning at the same time. I'll be on at 6:25 Pacific Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time would be 9:25. Love you too, man. Okay, so take it easy, Wolfpack. Hit the sub button down below if you want to see more of this. We got live action every day. We love ripping up the market. We love making money, and we're here to make you money. So keep it real, guys. Over and out.